Aphorisms. An aphorism is a short witty sentence that expresses a general truth or comment. The purpose of an aphorism is to deliver a message to individuals that is widely accepted as a universal moral or truth. An aphorism doesn't have to follow any strict grammatical rule and is a general, often overused phrase that presents an observation about life. In this lesson, we will look at different examples of aphorisms and ways we can use these in our vocabulary, speech, or writing. Examples of aphorisms. Here are some common examples of aphorisms. Some of these can be attributed to specific people, while others have been used for so long that we cannot really trace their origins anymore. Actions speak louder than words. Early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy, and wise. Benjamin Franklin. Don't cry over spilled milk. James Howell. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. The grass is always greener on the other side. Power tends to corrupt, and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Lord Acton. Aphorisms in popular culture. Popular culture is full of aphorism examples, some of which are listed below. In To Kill a Mockingbird, you never really understand a person until you consider things from his point of view, until you climb into his skin and walk around in it. In Forrest Gump, my mama used to say life was like a box of chocolates, you never know what you're gonna get. In Star Wars, try not. Do, or do not. There is no try. In The Shining, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Interesting facts about aphorisms. Another interesting thing to note about aphorisms is that they can toe the line between literal and figurative language. If you say something like absolute power corrupts absolutely, you're speaking literally. But on the other hand, when you say, the grass is always greener, chances are you're not actually talking about real grass. It's a figurative expression. Often, aphorisms like these are so widespread that people understand what they mean even though they're metaphorical. Thank you.